What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today we're diving into the fascinating, and some might say controversial world of AI acquisitions. Specifically, we're talking about how tech giants are scooping up the best and brightest AI minds and their groundbreaking technology without actually buying the entire company. Sounds shady, right? Well, stick around because it's about to get interesting. Let's be real, the AI arms race is on, and tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are leading the charge. They're investing billions, building their own AI labs, and yes, aggressively going after promising AI startups. Traditionally, this would involve straight-up acquisitions, but there's a new strategy emerging, and it's raising eyebrows. One of the main reasons for this shift in strategy is the ever-watchful eye of antitrust regulators. Governments around the world are becoming increasingly concerned about the power these big tech companies hold, so any move that makes them even bigger is going to be scrutinized. That's where these pseudo-acquisitions come in. So what exactly is a pseudo-acquisition? In a nutshell, it's a way for big tech to get their hands on the valuable assets of AI startups, the talented engineers, the cutting-edge algorithms, the proprietary datasets, without actually buying the whole company. They do this through a combination of strategic hiring and licensing agreements. A perfect example of this is Google's recent deal with Character.ai. Now, Character.ai is a really cool startup that lets users create and interact with AI-powered chatbots that can mimic anyone from Elon Musk to your favorite fictional character. Google saw the potential in their technology and, more importantly, the talent behind it. So, they swooped in and hired away more than 20% of Character.ai's workforce, including their co-founder, Noam Shazir, who's a former Google AI researcher himself. Oh, and they also licensed Character.ai's technology while they were at it. And Google isn't alone. Microsoft pulled off a similar move with a company called Inflection AI, which is developing a personal AI assistant called Pi. Microsoft hired a significant chunk of Inflection staff and gained access to their AI models. Not to be outdone, Amazon did something similar with Adept, an AI startup focused on building general-purpose robots. They snagged key talent from Adept and secured a licensing deal for their technology. Now, at first glance, this might seem like a win-win situation. Big tech gets what they want. The AI startup gets a nice exit, maybe some cash, and a chance to work on cool projects at a bigger scale. But is it really that simple? Let's dig a little deeper. The big question here is whether this trend of pseudo-acquisitions is ultimately good or bad for the AI ecosystem as a whole. On the one hand, it could stifle innovation. If talented engineers and entrepreneurs know that their best chance of success is to get acquired by a big tech company, they might be less likely to take risks and pursue truly groundbreaking ideas. Why bother building a billion-dollar company when you can just get acqui-hired by one, right? On the other hand, some argue that this consolidation of talent and resources could actually accelerate the development of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. The thinking is that by bringing the best minds in AI together under one roof and giving them access to massive datasets and computing power, we'll reach that AGI milestone faster. Now, whether that's a good thing or not, well, that's a whole other discussion for another video. So, what does the future hold for the AI industry? Will these pseudo-acquisitions become the norm? Will antitrust regulators step in and put a stop to it? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing's clear. The battle for AI dominance is heating up, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it all plays out. All right, everyone, it's time to hear from you. What do you think about these pseudo-acquisitions? Are they a threat to innovation, a necessary evil, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really keen to hear your perspective. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more insights and analysis on all things AI. I'm constantly working to bring you the best content possible, and your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay curious,